Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, James with TheChartGuys. It's Monday, October 2nd. Going to do my nightly video on natural gas. So natural gas, we have this weekly downtrend line. We had another rejection 2 weeks ago, and continuing that fall through on the rejection, we're getting tighter here on the range. So really waiting for a longer term break of this, either the downtrend line or this uptrend line that we have on the weekly before taking a longer term position. But there is definitely an oversold bounce going on. The smaller time frames are all oversold. So the hourly oversold bounce is happening right now. And what I would look for is if we gain this 8 EMA here, as we after this after the bounce here, we are consolidating here on the hourly in a range here. And if we do gain that 8 EMA, what I would look for is potentially for at least a back test play, which is currently at 2.957 if you're looking for a trade. The longer term has yet to indicate that it's going to be anything more than an oversold bounce. And the daily is not oversold yet and has broken to a lower low on the daily here. The next support I'm watching for on Natgas on the daily is going to be 2.885. But again, there is a little bit of an oversold bounce going on. And if you're looking for a trade here, if it does gain that 8 EMA and breaks bullish out of this tightening range here after that dip buying here and the oversold bounce happening, I would look for a back test of the 20 EMA. Honestly, if I were in a bounce play and it does hit the 20 EMA, I would take personally I would take profits and exit the play. If we do regain the 20 EMA, the next resistance I would start looking for is going to be this long upper wick candle here at 3.008 after the $3 psychological level, then 3.044, and then 3.081. So those are the resistance levels. Support must hold is obviously the low of today of 2.889 on the shorter term time frames. But again, what I'm waiting for is this weekly chart to play out, waiting for either it to break bullish or bearish out of this tightening triangle pattern. And it's kind of interesting that oil and nat gas are rejected on their downtrend lines. If you look at oil as well, it's rejecting at its weekly downtrend line. I'll draw you a downtrend line for me on oil. Right there. You see it's rejecting from the downtrend line. And what I was telling the oil in the oil video was on XLE, the weekly, last week we had hit that upper Bollinger Band. And as we hit that upper Bollinger Band, the daily was extremely overbought on the RSI here. And so I thought it was going to likely more than anything reject at that upper Bollinger Band on the weekly, which it's been doing. Had a reversal candle here on the daily at the 200 MA. And the energy sector needs to consolidate a bit, which it's been doing sideways a bit here. Bulls obviously bought the dip today, showing some strength here. So I would look for a break of 68.90 on this XLE daily chart and see if that's an indication that oil and nat gas are continue higher. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.